We're on to recipe number 2, chicken with rotini, tomatoes, and feta. All right, take it away.
All right, well, this is just a fantastic main course salad. And one of the things that's so nice about it is it's extremely versatile. When you prepare it, you can have it warm, and then the leftovers are delicious cold. Love taking it for lunch. Just such a delicious recipe and so easy to prepare.
Right.
Yeah, so the way we start, Des, is we've got 3 chicken breasts cubed into little bite-sized pieces.
Right.
And I've already prepared 3 chicken breasts. So we're just, that's cooking nicely for us.
You're always so prepared, Gina. You've always got everything so perfectly organized. And there we go, our beautiful chicken
It's
ready to mix up. Okay.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have you stir this together for me. You can just see how easy it comes together.
Sure.
So while your pasta is cooking, I like to cook it's about 3 cups of pasta, and it cooks up to about 5. Cook your pasta to al dente, and while it's cooking, you can chop all your other ingredients, and away you go. All right. Oh, that is smelling delicious.
This is what we wanted.
Yeah, and we've got that cooking. Okay, so I have got our 3 cooked chicken breasts in here.
All right.
And then I am just gonna add, you can use 5 Roma tomatoes or one of those little clamshells of the grape tomatoes. Love the grape tomatoes because they're flavorful and you can get them year round. So that is about.
Wait till you've got it all in there before I start mixing?
Sure, you can start mixing. That's about 300 grams.
Okay.
And we've got 1 small red onion, sweet red onion. Love the Mediterranean flavors of this pasta salad. So about 12 sliced Kalamata olives.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
A whole cup of crumbled feta.
Yeah. What is it about feta? Just
one of my favorite things.
Better, yeah.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna add our cooked pasta.
Okay. Oop.
So this makes a really nice, big, hearty serving.
Yeah, and I can totally see what you're saying. Like if it's served warm, right? That would be quite lovely.
Delicious.
And then that feta kind of starts to melt down just a little bit, but cold is also good.
Oh, delicious too.
Okay, so there you go.
So now I'm gonna get you to add the pop of flavor here.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna turn that down for us.
All right.
Okay, so 2 tablespoons of olive oil. There we go. And 3 tablespoons of balsamic.
Okay.
And boy, that just brings out the flavor. And I'm gonna stir that in for us.
Okay, and then we've got, is that basil? Sorry.
Yeah, so 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped basil, or if you have dry, a tablespoon of dry is perfect too.
That too.
And then about half a teaspoon of pepper.
All of that?
Yeah, all of that's great. And you don't need to add any salt to this recipe because the feta and the olives give it that nice savory flavor.
And so one of the things that, like, I mean, we're so proud of all of the local products that we feature on the show, and we are so lucky to have, you know, chicken produced locally. So tell us a little bit about that.
Well, we are so lucky. Like you said, we have access to fresh local chicken 12 months of the year. We have 123 Manitoba chicken farmers here in the province, and 97% of those farms are family owned and operated.
So what would you say would be like the most common question? If people ask you a lot of questions about, you know, Manitoba chicken, what would you say would be the most common thing?
I think one of the biggest misconceptions, and the question that I get asked a lot, is chickens grow quickly, and it has to do with the type of breed of chicken. But a lot of people think that hormones and steroids are used in chicken farming, and that is absolutely not true. They are never allowed, and they've been banned since the 60s. So we are very lucky to have such a great, healthy, nutritious source of local protein, our Manitoba chicken year-round.
Right on. Well, thanks for clearing that up. So this is basically ready to go.
This is ready to go, Des, and it is so delicious. It's just a beautiful combination of flavors, and so easy to prepare.
Yeah, easy to prepare. I was going to make a comment about leftovers. I think we're being presumptuous when we're talking about leftovers. It looks and smells incredible.
Oh, yeah.
So there's your chicken with rotini, tomatoes, and feta. We're doing Manitoba chicken salads. We're going to be coming up with a chicken, melon, and avocado salad. Lots of cool stuff going on in there. We'll show you how to build it when we come back here on Great Tastes of Manitoba.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba, brought to you in part by greattastesmb.ca. Local farms, local foods.